Dear friends, today we have the newspaper of 25th March 2025. We start with the first news, that is SC Collegium recommends transfer of Justice Verma. Dhankar discuss judicial accountability with Nadda Khadge. Maharashtra wants Kamraj apology for Joe Konsinde. Civic authorities raise homes of Nagpur violence accused before SC intervene. Police detain thousands as unrest spread in Turkey. BJP opposition swears over absence of economic survey a day before budget presentation. Webinar on career in data science and deep tech on March 26. Jharkhand government to conduct caste survey in coming financial year. 800 farmers release 450 more to be freed soon. Punjab Police. Government stable third CAG audit of AAP drum on DTC losses. 8 year of excellence. Delhi riots. Court reverse order on FIR against Misra. Delegations of Tamil Nadu MPs to meet PM and seek fair delimitations. Stalin. UP has emerged as a powerhouse over 8 years. Chief Minister of UP Uttar Pradesh Yogi Adityanath ji. Sambhal Mosque chief arrest. Lawyers call it bid to prevent him from testifying. BJD pushes for 27 quota for OBC candidate in government jobs, educational institutions in Odisha. SC risks our TN minister's failures to respond to query on whether he should continue in government. Days after rising Ujjain land acquisitions issue in MP, House BJP MLA get notice from party. DK remarks trigger ruckus in parliament. Shiv Kumar deny remarks. Khan urges people to get inspirations by Bihar past for better future. China ties. Be aware conciliations without deterrence. When it comes to China ties, India must note that our stabilization policy also required wielding a sharp sword. Colossal wastage that is food for tough. Government, business, and individual must collaborate to develop an efficient food management system that fosters responsible consumption. It is time to ditch sexist campaign slogan. Slogan often reinforce traditional power structure and selective engage with the women concerned. Delimitations could reinforce BJP hegemony. The BJP could have gained 14 extra seats in 2019 if Lok Sabha constituency has been delimited according to the 2021 census. Polarization gimmicks in Maharashtra. The need for a localized urban agenda. Can centrally sponsored scheme and centrally run urban missions give local solution to cities? Does the central control over finance bode well for growth of cities? Can a top-down approach work? Is decentralization of fund necessary? These are the questions that should be asked and that should be answered by the government. The hike in the salary of member of parliament, 24% is the hike in the salary of member of parliament. The number of government officials dismissed in Odisha in last 5 years. Private capex share in India's growth fixed capital formations. Number of protests detained since arrest of Erdogan rivals. Water level of Naini Lake in Nainital drove spark concern. What are DNA polymorphism and how do they difference between people? DNA fingerprinting can establish parent-child relationship and help identify individuals from their mortal remain at disaster site. DNA fingerprint have also exerted wrongly accused convicted. Scientists have extracted DNA almost intact from 65,000-year-old human remain. Bar Association seek review of Justice Verma judgment. Petition seek FIR over case found at SC Judge Residence. Case found at SC Judge Residence. Tariff market access for agriculture goods on agenda at US state delegations visit India. Kheri case SC allow witness to file police complaint. SC to hear plea on Karnataka honey trap allegation today. Will not apologize but ready to cooperate with police and court, say Kunal Kamra. Finance bill is a classic case of patchwork solution, Tharoor. President stressed need for inclusive development. Center issue guideline to tackle high rate of job cards deletions under Manrega. RSS wants to destroy education system of India, Rahul at rally. Sequencing of 10,000 TB genome sample completed. India Navy announces Made India Africa exercise IOS saga. Center concerned over hospital not sharing organ transplant data. Anti-TB campaign will be expanded to the all district, Nadda. Rupee jump 37 paisa to close at 85.61 against US dollar. Stock indices gain 1.4% on continued buying interest. Tata AutoCam to acquire IAC Sweden to expand footprint. SEBI to form panel to review conflict of interest provisions. Government moves abolishing digital tax on online advertisement from April 1. US holds separate truce talk with Russia after meeting Ukrainian team. Greenland leaders blame US delegation's upcoming trip. Iran open to indirect nuclear talk with USA urge. Egypt make new truce offer as Israel strike in Gaza, kill 65. India China likely to be hit as Trump slams tariff on countries buying Venezuelan oil. US strike targeting Yemen Houthis kill at least one in Sana'a. UN to reduce tariff in Gaza. Staff in Gaza blames Israel for a strike that killed Stava. Ukrainian railways grapple with a sophisticated cyber attack. Venezuela flow on home as US deportations flight resume. Rupal Manu Hogg limelight with sizzling performance. Will Kishan 2.0 be unleashed at SRS? As ice frozen for millennia, thaws, Kashmir woke up to new risk. Glacial ice losing ice at record level around the globe, UN. That's from my side, friends. See you soon. Jai Hind.